Hi everyone! This week we will learn about hybrid lifecycle assessment. You have now learned the most important aspects of input-output analysis and how it can be used to calculate the total environmental or social impact of product supply chains across the whole economy. We have also discussed the limitations of input-output analysis, for example, that it is only applicable to a whole industry sector or product group rather than a specific product. For example, you can calculate the carbon footprint of the whole dairy sector, but you might not be able to distinguish cheese from yogurt or milk. This is where we can use what we call process-based lifecycle assessment, which is the bottom-up assessment of specific production processes based on physical data that have been collected directly from the companies that produce the products. We can use this specific information, which is often based on engineering data, to improve our input-output models so that they can represent the actual process. There are different ways of doing this, and in this week's lecture you will learn about two methods in particular. They are called matrix augmentation and integrated hybrid lifecycle assessment. The improvements we can make by mixing different methods actually work both ways. Not only can we improve our input-output data and models, but we can also improve the traditional process-based lifecycle assessment. And this is because you always have to define a fairly narrow system boundary for any lifecycle assessment. And by adding input-output data, which, as you know, represent the whole economy, we can extend the system boundary. We can make it larger. This makes hybrid LCA not only more accurate, it also makes it more complete than the other methods. I hope you will enjoy learning about these advanced analytical methods. You will be able to do some practical exercises yourself with the material on Moodle. Thank you very much.